What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, now today I want to give you guys some sauce on taxes. All right, I want to give you guys some sauce on taxes. Now, as you know, this video, previous videos, or any videos in the future will never be for anything but educational purposes only. All right, now there's a few ways to I don't like to say avoid taxes, because legally you don't have to pay taxes. It's literally just how you set yourself up, okay? How you're running business. That's going to determine if you will pay taxes or not, okay? Now, a lot of my clients are making money from businesses and things like that. So I want to let you guys know, if you're following along, watching my free content, I want to let you guys know a way that once you start making money, that you can, I don't want to say avoid, but you can legally not be taxed, okay? Because the first thing that we have to understand is, what are you taxed for, okay? You have to ask yourself that. What are you taxed for, all right? You have to really look at that, because most people think that, you know, you're taxed when you get money in general, right? And that's not true. You're only taxed on profit, okay? You're only taxed on profit. So that means that the money that you make is what you're taxed on, okay? Now, it's a very good idea to set up your LLCs in different places like Delaware, Wyoming, things like that, okay? They have very, very, very good tax advantages. And also lawyers and things like that will always be on the actual business side more so than the consumer. Okay, so when you're setting up your LLCs and things like that, a part of your structure is understanding the taxes aspect. All right, that's super important, man, because I'm telling you, you make $200,000 a year, and you got to pay back 86,000. Like you ain't gonna be happy. You ain't gonna be happy at all. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys about not just, you know, how you set it up and where you want to structure it and things like that, but you need a holding company. Okay, have you ever heard of a holding company? You need a holding company. Now, a holding company is a very simple LLC. Okay, it's a very simple LLC. You don't have to do anything extra. You just need to create an LLC that is going to be a holding company. Okay, now your holding company is where you can actually hold the profits of your other businesses. Because think of it this way. I say I got 3 companies, okay? 2 of them make money, 1 of them is a holding company, okay? You're only taxed on profits that you make and that you have, all right? Do y'all understand that? If I make money and then I invest my money into a property, I don't have that money anymore, okay? If I make money and then I buy stocks, I buy crypto, okay? I don't have that money anymore. So you cannot tax me off of what's not there. You feel me? If I were to send you money, okay, how is somebody going to tax money that you were given? You can't, all right? And you need to understand why you can't. It's not hard. You just need to stop. Sometimes we get in our own way, okay? We think we know things. We don't look up the actual definitions to everything, and we don't construct our minds to actually break down what is put up against us, all right? Everything that you need to know, you can learn it, but you have to come with an open mind. You have to understand what's what. You can't go and try to learn some information, but you still got your old thought process and trying to learn new information as if you're going to build off of the wrong information. Absolutely makes no sense. And we got to be real with ourselves. All right. Now, with this holding company, if you were to make money from other companies, you could just send it to this holding company. That holding company is not going to be taxed because it didn't make any money. It has money, but it didn't make money. It was sent money. Okay? It's a big difference. It was sent money. All right? Now, a holding company, like I said, it's a holding company. It's a management company, however you want to put it. Okay? It is literally the same thing. Because as a business owner, a part of the job is actually managing all of the tasks and the things that you have to do. Right? So if you're a business owner, you're already managing and allocating different tasks and things like that. That's a job. That's a job. That's an LLC right there. You feel me? So you have to make it as such. You have to structure it as such. All right. Now that's a super, super, super cool way to avoid being taxed in that, in that manner. Like, so you can continuously build, you can continuously scale, because the more you scale, the more money you can make. All right. The more you scale while not being taxed, it get crazy. All right. But you got to understand the rules. You have to understand everything that is a part of the process and what you're trying to do. It's very easy. It's very simple. All right. Is my credit clean? Is my credit built? Is my business structured? Is my business built? Right? How am I going to make money? How's my marketing? Okay. When I make money, not if I make money, when I make money. Do I want to be taxed? I hope the answer is no. All right. So you have to actually go through this process and not just say, oh, I want to do this. Oh, I want to do that. Because understand, it gets deep. Business gets deep. I know everybody on YouTube saying, hey, cool. But this get deep. Okay. So you got to be like, you got to understand what you're doing. You got to know what's going on. All right. So if you don't have anybody that you can, learn from as a mentor, things like that, I suggest you get one ASAP. I don't care who you choose, but I suggest you get one. All right. Because that's very important. And the more you know, the less mistakes you make, the more money you keep. Period. When people see people with money, people think that it's because they got money. No, they don't nobody care. It's not about the actual money. It's about the fact that you have a different type of discipline. You have a different type of drive. You know what I'm saying? That's what people are attracted to. And money is just a result of it, usually. Not all the time, because money ain't everything, but usually. You feel me? So you want to have that holding company, man. Later on down the line, I don't know when, but whenever you guys are ready, y'all can, drop some comments. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if y'all ready. I don't know. I don't really know where y'all at. But if y'all want to, go deeper into these subjects and things like that, man, we can get real deep. We could talk about adding a trust to it. You know what I'm saying? And having your holding company under the trust, having, of course, you making the decisions for the trust, and then under the holding company, you got your LLCs and things like that, man. So actually understand what you're doing before you're doing it. Make sure you're doing it the right way. Don't just do anything. Don't just do the cheapest thing. Don't just do the most expensive thing, okay? Understand what you're doing, why you're doing it, man. Drop them comments below, please, man. Share these videos, like these videos, subscribe if you have not. All right, it's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video, man. Stop hating on people. Send them this shit.